In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite people to your designs in Canva. This is a really useful way to collaborate with colleagues or friends, whether you're planning an event, working on a project, or simply sharing your design ideas for feedback. Let's dive right in to learn how to effortlessly share your Canva creations with others. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the design you want to share within your Canva dashboard. Once you've opened up your design, take a look in the upper right hand corner of the screen and you'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on this button. This is your entryway to sharing your creative genius with others. After clicking Share, a dialog box will appear. In this box you have the option to invite people directly using their email addresses. Type in the email address of the person or people you'd like to invite. If you're inviting multiple people, just separate each email with a comma. This makes it easy to invite everyone you need without having to leave the page. Now it's important to ensure that the people you're inviting have the right level of access to your design. Below the email input field, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Access. You have the option to choose the level of access the recipients will have. To allow full collaboration, make sure this is set to Can Edit. This will grant them the ability to make changes to the design alongside you, fostering a collaborative environment where ideas can flow freely and efficiently. Once you've checked the access level and you're satisfied that everything looks good, it's time to finalize the process. You do this by clicking the Share button at the bottom of the dialog box. This sends out the invitation to the individuals you've chosen, inviting them to join you in creating or editing the design. And that's it, you've successfully invited others to your Canva design. Collaboration is a wonderful way to incorporate diverse ideas into your project and improve the overall quality of your work. Remember, teamwork can lead to amazing outcomes, so don't hesitate to use Canva's sharing feature whenever you need to bring more brains on board. This simple process makes Canva an incredibly powerful tool, especially for projects that require input and collaboration from multiple parties. Whether you're working with a small group or a large team, Canva's seamless sharing capabilities will be a great asset. Thanks for watching and happy designing.